Unlocking silence. Understanding noiseless. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving into a word that often tiptoes quietly through the English language: noiseless. What does it mean when something is noiseless? And how can you use it in your everyday conversations and writing? Let's find out together and make your English as smooth and clear as a silent night. When we say something is noiseless, we're describing a situation, an object, or an environment that makes no sound at all. It's the quiet whisper of a world on mute, the absence of a hum, a buzz, a ring, or any hint of noise. It's the kind of quiet that you might find in a library, late at night, or in a peaceful countryside. Imagine turning off all the electronics in your house. The refrigerator stops humming, the air conditioner is still, no music or television in the background. That's noiseless. Now, let's see how to weave this word into sentences. The noiseless streets at dawn were perfect for a peaceful walk. She installed a noiseless fan in her office to concentrate better. During the power outage, we were enveloped in a noiseless darkness. As you can see, noiseless is often used to describe environments and items that enhance calm or concentration. It can be a desirable quality, especially in places where silence is golden. There are some subtle shades of meaning when it comes to noiseless. It's not just about volume. It's about the presence or absence of sound. Something can be quiet, but not entirely noiseless. Noiseless implies a complete lack of noise, which is often more idealized than realistic. Moreover, noiseless can be used metaphorically. A person can have a noiseless demeanor, suggesting they are calm, composed, and unobtrusive in their manner. Let's compare noiseless with other words. Silent. No sound at all, more absolute than quiet. Quiet. Low in volume, but not completely without sound. Hushed. A whispering level of sound, like people speaking softly in a theater. While all these words talk about the level of sound, noiseless is at the far end of the spectrum, indicating no sound whatsoever. And there you have it, a world without a whisper. The meaning and usage of noiseless. I hope this journey into the quiet corners of the English language has been enlightening for you. Keep practicing, and soon, your understanding of nuanced English terms will be as seamless and soundless as a noiseless shadow. Until next time, keep learning and enjoy the silence.